Hey guys, today I'm checking out this over the toilet shelves that I received for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's a really nice set because it comes with all the pieces labeled and it's a simple to assemble unit that's gonna be fitted perfectly on the back side of your toilet, and that way you can organize your restroom however you need it, place all your essentials in there. It comes really well protected, which I think that it's really nice, and it comes with all the pieces that we're gonna need to do this installation. All of them come numbered, so that way we can be sure each piece, which one, which I think that it's great. So let's go ahead and start assembling everything up and let's see how it looks, okay? Let's go! You can transform any wasted space into a smart storage with this over-the-toilet storage rack. It is designed to maximize your vertical space, and it's a perfect way to declutter your bathroom and keep everything organized and within reach. It has an 8-tier design, and it features a wide main rack plus a multi-level side shelf, giving you plenty of room for toiletries, towels, cleaning supplies, and more. But this unit goes beyond simple shelving, as it includes a deep wire basket to secure bulkier items like towels or storage boxes, and 6 S-hooks for hanging robes, loofahs, or hand towels. It's a complete storage system for all your bedroom essentials, whether they are big or small, and it's made with customization in mind. The adjustable shelves let you fit tall bottles or oversized product with ease, while the movable bottom support bar ensures a perfect fit around your toilet's plumbing. It's constructed with a durable metal frame, and the rack includes a adjustable leveling fit to stay steady even on uneven floors. It also includes an anti-tip kit. It's engineered to fit over most standard toilets, and it won't block the lid or even the flush button. And thanks to the easy assembly process with all the tools included, you can set it up in just minutes, making it a space-saving solution that brings order and style to your bathroom or your laundry room. Okay guys, as you can see, now that it's already assembled and set, I think that it's really nice. I like that you have plenty of space where you set everything that you need. You get even adjustable hooks that you can place in here, so you can hang many more towels. As you see, you have these ones, you can place them, these ones upon this side, however you need it. You get, as I've said, you can change this one and place it upon this side however you need it, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, I think that it's nice. It has a really nice space, and you can organize your restroom, bathroom, whatever you want to place it. Really nice. As I like that you have plenty of space where you place whatever you need, towel, toiletry, whatever. Overall, I think that it's really nice. It can blend perfectly with any kind of aesthetic. It's really nice. It feels like an amazing construction, and I really like it, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.